Hello dear English learners, I am Priyanka Chaudhary and welcome to my channel. Are you looking for any English speaking partner for having a conversation? If yes, then I am going to be a partner in this video for you. Well, here I am going to ask you 20 questions that will surely help you to speak English. And you are supposed to answer all of these questions one by one. Do not worry at all. The answers are going to be reflected on your screen that will help you to speak English. So without any further delay, let's begin. Hi, what's your name? How are you doing today? How many languages do you speak? How long have you been studying English? How much do you study English every day? What's the most difficult thing about English for you? Does listening to songs in English really help you to learn the language? If yes, then how? Why are you studying English? Do you speak in English at your workplace? How does internet help you to speak English? What is the easiest thing about English for you? How do you learn new vocabulary in English? In your opinion, what is the best way to learn English? Do other people in your family speak English? Is there any favorite English word of yours? If yes, what's that word? Who encourages you to speak English? Did you ever deliver a speech in English? If yes, when? Have you ever had an English conversation with a native English speaker? Are you interested in learning any other language besides English? Can you share with me something about your previous day? Would you like to have more English conversation videos like this? If yes, then tell me in the comment section below. I believe these questions really helped you to speak English and you found it really helpful. If yes, then do not forget to like, subscribe and share. I will be meeting you in the next video. Till then, bye bye. Take care.